Here's a question from the digital essay team. It is actually on practice test 4, question 21, the second module hard. Two identical rectangular prisms, each have a height of 90 centimeters. The base of each prism is a square and the surface area of each prism is K. If the prisms are glued together along a square base, the resulting prism has a surface area of 92/47 K square centimeters. What is the side length in centimeters of each base? I'm going to draw this thing. How shall I draw this? I don't want to draw it like that. Let me just draw it freehand because I want to draw it so that the bases are sitting one on top of another. So here's one of them, square bases, and then it's a rectangular prism. Okay, I'm not an artist. And then it's sitting on, I'll draw the second one in black. It's the same way. Sitting on another one that's identical to it. Okay, they're sitting one on top of another. So what is the area or surface area of a rectangular prism? Sometimes I call it a rectangular prism. They say rectangular prism. Well, it is the 2 times the area of the base plus the lateral area. And the lateral area can be the perimeter of the base times the height. Well, it says the base is a square, so I'm going to call the sides S. And the height, it says, is 90. And the base, so 2 times the base is going to be S times S. It's a square, S squared. So it's 2S squared plus the perimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4S, times the height, which is 90, which is 2S squared plus 360S. So that's K. That equals K. Now, it says when they are put together, glued together along a squared base, the resulting prism, I know it's a prism, has a surface area of 92/47 K. So this one is going to be 92/47 times K. And this is going to be twice the surface area. So it's twice this. Well, 2K, twice the surface area. But notice that the top face of the red one and the bottom face of the black one are touching there, one on top of the other. Neither one of those are part of the surface area anymore. So it's minus 2S squared. S squared is each face, and there's 2 of those faces that are now touching each other, the red one and the black one. Let me make this a little bit bigger. So now I just substitute in for K. K is this. So 2 times 2S squared plus 360S, 2K minus 2S squared, equals, I guess I'm going to need more room this way too. I always get myself so I don't have enough room. Equals 92/47 times K again, 2S squared plus 360S. Well, I'm done. I'm not going to do any more math. You can do the rest of the math if you want, but this test lets you use the Desmos graphing calculator. I'm going to turn S into X. I'm going to say 2 times 2X squared plus 360X minus 2X squared equals 92. I put 92/7. It's supposed to be 92/47 equals 92/47 times 2S squared plus 360X, 2X squared plus 360X. If I do S's on this, it will not come up with values. So now I'm going to go home. I must have been doing something else. The possible values for X are either 0 or 8. Well, side can't be 0 long. I'm going to say it's 8. Now, usually I would do the left hand equals X and the right hand equals Y rather. Left hand equals Y, right hand equals Y, and see where they cross. But it's try it where it's just the whole equation first and see if you can see if I can see what the values are here. And these one do. They let me click on it. So it's 8 and 0. So the answer is 8, which is, in this case, answer B.